Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Kung Fu Panda on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to put this cupcake outfit on, color the first one in black and the rest in white for the body. Then you are going to need the fur coat and you are going to color that in black as well. Then you are going to need this like hood and you're going to color that in white. And we're also going to get this and we're going to color that in white on the fourth toggle here. Sorry if there's loud people talking. People are just very loud in this neighborhood, by the way. Then I'm going to get this hat here and I am going to color it brown. Maybe like a denim pattern. Maybe like this actually. I'm just going to save that color for now. For the ears, we're going to obviously use this one in black and white. And then we are also, going to need this code item in all white. Then we're going to get some pants here. We're going to use these in that same color. Maybe make it a little bit darker actually. For the shoes, I am going to use these boots in that color, potentially a little bit darker than that. For everything like that. And then we're going to need the shield as well, so like bamboo. You'll need the like reward items for that. So go here and then get this and then get the other, like the, I don't know what it's called. This one's like from the code item, this. And then turn off the X and you're just going to color it green for like the bamboo. I think I might recolor the hat a little bit to make it like a little bit more like brown. Like brown orange, like maybe this color instead. Like that. Whoops, meant to click on the shoes. There. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!